March so far, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So in this video, I will show you how you can do this viral add your sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, we will have to go to our Instagram app, of course, and then from here you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to March dump at highlights, which is here. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the stories will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to March dump at highlights, you will definitely find it right there. So here we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if the add yours button is not working and if you are not able to click on it, then you can go to my description box below and there you will find a YouTube tutorial to help you with that problem. And also if the highlights are not loading, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below, so make sure to check on those if you have issues with Instagram. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose some photos. I will go with this one. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and you can share this with your friends. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was useful. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I will post more content like this soon. And if you have some questions, some thoughts, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.